Hi guys, today I would like to show you the way how you can change the applications icon on iPhone. So first thing you have to do, you need to have the picture of the icon that later on you want to use. Just go open your Pinterest because you can find any aesthetic picture on this application. Type into the search button and here I will let you try to get the photo icon. And right after that, you just need to pick the photo icon that you want to use. I want to use this pink, it's so cute. Just go type into this race model and download the image. And right after it's downloaded, you just need to go back into your home screen and then you just need to open your shortcuts on the library, app library, and then just tap it. And now we just need to take a look on these shortcuts, and then now just need to tap into this plus button and just go click this open app, and now just pick the application by tap this side, and you just need to pick what application that you want to change the icon. I will let you change the photo, so you just need to tap photo on it, and right after you found it, just go tap it. The next thing you need to do is just go type into this symbols and go click rename. Make sure that you rename this shortcuts later on with the title of the application. And now you just need to go click done. Next, go tap it again, go click into this add to home screen, and then you just need to pick the site and choose photo, and then pick the picture that we just download and go click choose. And now you just need to go click add. And now those icon with the new icon is already shown up here. So this is the original icon and this one is the customized. Whenever you open it, you will open your photo library right away. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.